the term B2B or business to business e-commerce has nothing in common, I don't think, with business to consumer e-commerce. They're two different critters. They happen to share the name e-commerce, but in business, it's much more defined by buyer, seller, market, audience engagement. So my point is, buying a jet engine or a part for a jet engine is much different than buying, replacement headlights for your, for the factory floor kind of thing. So there's different proclivities, different nuances, whole different ways of doing business depending upon the industry. So it's all different fundamentally from business to business, with the exception of the overarching trends of what the buyers want online and what sellers must deliver. And manufacturers are a case in point. And a lot of manufacturers are struggling with this issue because they may have figured out three things. They may have figured out that they've got an e-commerce site, or they've got their best catalog with their best pricing behind a firewall that can take an online order, which is what many manufacturers and distribution companies call e-commerce. And they know that very well. They've lived that very well. Maybe they've done it for years, or they're far enough along where they think they know that channel. But the thing is, that's only one channel. Manufacturers have very standard distribution lines. So, these are manufacturing companies, big and small. They may have been doing the same way of business, bringing the same distribution crowd, to send product out to the masses for 100 years, 50 years, 60 years, not uncommon. So manufacturers are challenged by many things. For starters, they may understand what they think is their e-commerce channel, but they don't understand that multi-point, omni-channel, sales integration, digitally driven matrix I just talked about. So buyers and sellers intermix with a manufacturer online across many different venues. And a lot of manufacturing companies, big and small, are trying to figure out how that is, because that's what the customers want.